Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to put text behind a person in CapCut PC. So guys, let's get right into it. Your first step would be to go ahead and open up the CapCut application on your desktop. So once you've opened it, it's going to look something like this. There's an option to sign in, which you could sign into CapCut if you wish. You could actually make use of the sign in option and sign into your account so that techniques like this wouldn't be lost. And then other than that, you are most likely going to see a dashboard that looks like this with the option to create a project, record your screen, an AI video maker, which is basically giving it a prompt and it's going to create a video for you. We also have image editing, create with AI and marketing tools, as well as AI remixes. And you're going to be seeing some of your projects you've worked on if you did that on your computer. um, all right, so let's get right into it. Your first step would be to click on create a project. So when you click on that option, CapCut is going to load an interface. And then on here, all you need to do is where we have the import icon, click on import, and then go ahead and select a video you'd like to use. Um, in this, I'm going to be selecting a video from this gallery here. I'm going to be making use of this video and then simply click on open. Now, once you've opened the video, depending on the length of the video, sometimes you may have to cut it. So I'm going to be cutting this video, but first, in order to make sure the video runs, simply hold and drag it to this spot. So drag it to the to this spot here on your screen where you could simply watch videos and stuff. So drag it to this point here. Once you've dragged it on here, just simply use this tool. Just hold it from the edge and simply reduce it. So I'm going to be reducing it enough so this woman stays in focus. All right, so once you've curated and edited your video to your liking, the next step is to add text. So where we have text at the top, it's just after audio and media. Click on text here. All right, so go ahead and click on text, and where we have default text, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do the same thing you did in the video earlier, which was to hold and drag onto this player here. So click on it on the edit bar, just place it either above or beside the video, whichever works for you. Once you've placed it here, we have a text box where you can simply enter what you need or what you want to appear in behind the character or the subject. So we could just simply do something like this, and then you could change the font using this calibration system here. You could just simply change the font into something you prefer or something you would likely use. We could go with Arial Black. We could have it look like this. And then if you were to drag the media player over the text, you can see how it looks on the subject. Now, if you were to scroll down, we have the option to change the color. So go ahead and apply colors that either stand out or make sense to you. Once you've done this, you could still scroll a bit more and use some preset. So we have some presets here. We could make use of this particular preset. Just click on it, and then please make sure to stretch the text enough for you to see properly. And then once you've done this, just simply click on the video. Now select the original video, right click, or use your control key and C to copy it, and then right click again, or use your control V to paste. So you could do this for any of them. And now make sure they are both aligned on the same space. So align them so they match each other word for word. And then where we have the text, drag this text and place it in the middle. So where we have this highlight that's blue and in the middle, place it there. So now it's going to be directly underneath the video. And now simply stretch the text so it aligns with the rest of the video. So now when you play it, it's going to be part of the entire video from the start to the finish. All right, now with that done, all you need to do next is quite simple. Click on the video. Any of the videos would work, either the top or the bottom. They both do the same. And now from video, click on video here. And then where we have basic, go ahead and click on remove background. When you select the remove background option, depending on the version of CapCut you're using for PC, you might find something like cutout or remove background or something more detailed, something to represent removing a background. Now, once you've found it, where we have auto removal, go ahead and select this option. click on this option here, you're going to see it's going to begin processing for this video. Remember, we highlighted the video, we selected remove background, and we clicked on the check mark for auto removal. And once it's done processing, it's going to remove the entirety of the background from the video. All right, and once it's done, we get to see it in action. As you can see, the text is now behind the character. So you could still highlight it here behind the character and still make edits to it. So instead of we could have something like good day, but you do have to drag the text so it's more visible behind the character. You could edit the text so it's larger. You could move the text all around at the background and, stuff like that. All right, guys. So once you're done here, just simply click on export at the top right. But don't forget, this is a CapCut Pro feature, so you're going to need to pay for CapCut Pro in order to make use of this auto cutout or auto background remove feature. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.